Hey our friends, today we're going to draw a funny cotton candy machine. I hope you're really excited to follow along with me. I'm using my markers to draw and color with, but like always, you can use whatever you have. Colored pencils and crayons work perfect. All right, let's get started. Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first draw the top of the machine, and we're going to draw a horizontal line in the middle of our paper. I'm going to draw it this wide. Then we're going to draw another horizontal line right below it to match. Okay, next, let's connect the top down to the bottom on both sides. Then we can draw the side of the machine. This is where the motor is that spins the floss or the cotton candy. So we're going to draw a diagonal line and then a matching diagonal line on the other side. Then we can draw a little curve in the corner and then a horizontal line coming across and then another curved corner on this side. Now we can draw the feet. Let's draw a little rectangle shape for the feet on the bottom of the machine to keep it from sliding around. Okay, next let's draw a little switch on off switch. That's about all you need for the machine to turn it on or off. So we could draw a rectangle shape right in the middle. We could also draw a smaller rectangle inside of it. And then let's draw a line in the middle. Now just for extra details, let's draw a circle over here and another circle over here. And we could also draw little vents in between to keep the motor from overheating. Okay, next let's draw the bowl that the cotton candy gets spun in. Actually, first let's draw a rectangle shape right here. This is where we pour the sugar into. And then inside of that, it's spinning really fast, but we need the bowl to catch it so it doesn't shoot out and we can make the cotton candy. So first, let's draw a vertical line going up and down, and then we're going to curve it into the machine. And then we can do the same thing. We're going to try to create that same line over here to match. So we also want the same distance away from the machine. We can use our eyes to try to measure that, and then we'll curve into the machine. Okay, next let's draw the lip. I think it curves in a bit, but we're just gonna keep it simple and we'll draw it straight across to connect the top. Then we can also add another line to match. Oh, my marker's running out. Let me get a new one. Let's go back over that. There we go, all the way over to the other side. And then we can connect down, top down to the bottom. And there we go, there's our cotton candy machine. But I think we need a few more things. Let's draw a funny face on our machine. I'm gonna draw my favorite mouth. I always love drawing these, especially when I feel like the thing's having fun. We're gonna draw teeth. My cotton candy machine is having tons of fun because it's making cotton candy. I'm gonna draw the tongue inside. Sometimes I like drawing the tongue sticking out, but this time we'll draw it inside and then we can color in the back of the mouth. Okay, next, these kind of look like the eyes, but they're really low. So let's add 2 more eyes on each side. And we can also draw my favorite little highlight inside to make the eyes shiny. And we can color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Now, one last thing, let's add cotton candy inside that's being made. So we're gonna draw a big cloud line coming down inside of the bowl. So I'm gonna start up here. We're gonna draw a big, bumpy cloud line, and we can draw it coming in to the machine. And I'm also trying to draw it so that it looks like it's diagonal, because then we can draw the handle or the little paper cone sticking out from the side. And also, I'm gonna turn my paper so that, because the cotton candy looks like it's upside down, I'm gonna turn my paper this way so we can draw the funny face for our cotton candy. And I'm gonna draw another funny mouth This one, let's draw with the tongue sticking out. Always love drawing the funny mouths like this. And we got the teeth on the top and the bottom. And then we could draw the back of the mouth and color it in. So that part I went really fast because I also want to challenge you to change your funny faces. You don't have to draw them the same as me. Then let's also draw the happy eyes as upside down letter U's or rainbow lines. There we go. We did it. We finished drawing our cotton candy machine, except we still need to color it. This part we'll fast forward because I also want to challenge you to color your drawings differently. All right, let's speed things up. Our drawing looks so much better colored in. I really hope you'll take time to color yours. You can change the colors or even add more things to the background. I colored my cotton candy yellow and pink for strawberry lemonade, but you could change the flavor to be your favorite. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.